Shiitake mushroom, culinary treasure for health. Mushrooms were consumed and praised because of their health benefits for many centuries. There are many varieties of mushrooms. The shiitake is a distinct culinary bounty that is packed with many health-enhancing qualities. Originating from East Asia, shiitake mushrooms are commonly used in Chinese as well as Japanese dishes due to their distinctive flavor and therapeutic qualities. Shiitake mushrooms are renowned for their meaty, rich taste that gives the depth of dishes. They possess a distinct umami flavor, that is the fifth flavor that is detected by human taste sense. The umami flavor does not just enhance the dining taste, but also offers a variety of health advantages. One of the best-known advantages of shiitakes are their ability to boost your immune system. They are rich in a substance known as lentinin. It is known to boost the immune system to help combat illnesses. Shiitakes that are consumed regularly could help build a stronger immune system and reduce the chance of contracting influenza, colds, as well as other illnesses that are common. Additionally, shiitakes provide a wealth of antioxidants. Antioxidants are vital for neutralizing the harmful effects of free radicals within the body and also stopping the oxidative stress. Shiitake mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, such as ergothioneine that has been proven to possess strong antioxidant effects and anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating shiitakes into your diet may help to fight against diseases that are chronic like heart disease, cancer, as well as neurodegenerative diseases. Alongside their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, shiitake mushrooms are also rich in vital minerals. They're a great source of vitamin B and D that are essential to keeping overall health. Vitamin D particularly vital for the health of bones, immunity, as well as mood control. Shiitake mushrooms are among the only plant-based sources of this essential vitamin. They also have minerals such as zinc, potassium, and selenium that are essential to perform various bodily functions. A further exciting feature of shiitake mushroom is the potential for them to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that specific substances found in shiitakes like lentinin, as well as beta-glucans, may possess anti-tumor properties and block cancer cell growth. Although more research is needed to understand the full extent of these benefits, including the shiitake mushroom into a healthy diet could be an effective approach to preventing cancer and decreasing the chance of developing metastasis. Shiitake mushrooms aren't just healthy for us, they also aid in maintaining healthy weight. They're low in carbohydrates and calories, and are high in fiber. Fiber can help increase satiety by making you feel fuller for longer and reduces the risk of eating too much. When you include shiitake mushrooms into your meals, you will be able to maintain an appropriate diet and control your weight efficiently. For those who want to reap the advantages of the shiitake mushroom, there are a variety of delicious ways you can incorporate them into your diet. They can be cooked or stir-fried, roast, and included in stews and soups. Shiitake mushrooms can be used in a variety of ways and are able to be cooked with a variety of ingredients to make delicious recipes. Shiitakes, in the end, are an edible treasure stuffed with beneficial properties for health. They have everything from their antioxidant and immune-boosting benefits to potential beneficial effects against cancer. These shiitakes offer a variety of reasons to incorporate their consumption in your daily diet. But it's important to keep in mind that although shiitake mushrooms have numerous advantages, but they shouldn't be used to replace the need for a varied and balanced food plan. Therefore, the next time you are planning your meal, take a look at adding shiitakes for a unique flavor and health-enhancing advantages.